friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. If you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a YouTube friend. And if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. So I know that our last video was also a haul, and I don't really like to do that, like a bunch of hauls in a row. However, I'm doing it anyways. So today we're doing an IKEA haul, and I went looking for a specific product, and they were having a spring sale, and I got so many really great items, and I just want to share with you. Okay, so we're gonna start off strong with their little napkin holder. It's just wicker, no big deal. I needed it. And then you can get the big thing of napkins to go inside it. If I'm not mistaken, I think that these are $9.99 and $5.99, or are they $5.99 and $1.99? Somewhere around there. Anyways, I do like this. I've been saying for a while I was going to get one, and so I just picked that up. Now, this is a nice big outlet. So I need this, you know, I did my coffee bar kind of different, and I need to be able to plug some stuff in. And the cord on this is huge. It's got USB as well as 2, 3, 4, 5 outlets, and then, you know, the little on and off, and it is surge protection. But these things are expensive, and I've found, like, I mean, I guess I could have got it on Amazon, but I wanted to just pick one up because I needed it. And I was going to go to Walmart after, but then I found this. So, because it's hard to find them with a nice, long, heavy-duty cord. So, this was really good. It was $24.99. I feel like that's a good price for these, so I don't know. All right, so this is concentrate. So this one is elderflower. So once you open it, so it's good until June 2026, but once you open it, it's good for 30 days. So this is, you do 1 part this with 6 parts water. And these things, I really like them. I think they're super good. And sometimes I make a little bit more syrupy concentration and use these as like water and coffee syrup, and it's really good. And then this one is bilberry drink, so blueberry, and same thing, you know, and once they're open, you got to use it within 30 days. And then this one is 1 part with 4 parts water. And then I did get one more of those. So this one is lingonberry. And this one is 1 part with 6 parts. And then same thing, once you open it, you have to use it within 30 days. So I get these a lot. I like them. All right, so these are new, and they're 99 cents. Look how nice they are. And they're glass. They're not plastic. They're glass. Like all the things that you could use these for. So I got 4 of them because I feel like I'll use them for like condiment stuff in my refrigerator. 99 cents, and they're glass. So I mean, you could use these in your bathroom for products, your coffee bar for products, your refrigerator for products. Like, I feel like there's a lot you can do with them, and they look nice. Microwave top, they're only 99 cents there, and I needed a new one. So this is new. This is Swedish pancake mix. So it's like the like thin Parisian pancakes. So I thought it was, you know, I thought it was kind of cool. So I thought that I would try it. It was $4.99. This dill sauce here. Now these are only good, like this one is only good until May. They're never good for a super long time, like a couple months at a time. It's a product of Poland. But this is a lemon and dill sauce, and this is so good. So I have used this on, I've used it on fish, I've used it on chicken. So I work the next couple days. So what I will do is put this in the crock pot with some chicken and just let it cook. And it is so good. This does contain tree nuts, coconut, just so you know, for allergies. But it is really good. All right, so they had some new little beach toys. And, you know, we live in Florida, so now it's time. And, you know, the little guys love playing in the sand on the beach. And I thought this was cute. It's a tiny little bucket with, you know, some different, like, just little cups and stuff. But these are great for, like, catching crabs and different things. And then these are, like, ice cream cones. So I feel like Michael would like them. And these little shovels. So these were 99 cents. So first of all, these things are sturdy. And I was thinking to myself, man, I could use this for my garden. But I love how it's got a longer arm for them. Like if they're not sitting and they're wanting to bend over and dig stuff, or you want to, you know, like dig out the little crabs. Like I love the fact that they have longer arms, and they're only 99 cents, and they are not flimsy. Like they are like sturdy and thick. So I thought that this was super cute. I got some brushes. I keep these in my one in my laundry room and then one out in my garage sink for cleaning stuff. They're 69 cents. All right, so these were $1.99. And let me open it if I can find my scissors. I got 2 packs of these. They were only $1.99. And these are skewers for the grill. Or you can use them in the oven, but they're kebab skewers. They're metal. And you get 6 of them for $1.99. So I thought that this was really great for $1.99 for 6 of them. They're metal, so they're gonna last. They're not like use and dispose. You clean it and keep them. And yeah, and then if you're turning them, you know, they've got this nice little handle, make it easy to turn. But yeah, super cute. So I did get 2 packs of them. All right, and then these, so these were $14.99 each. I'll probably go back and get some more. So these, they're metal. I like the color. They're very sturdy. And so these are, they'll go over my fence to put flowers in. And I got 2 of them, and then if I like them, I will get some more. So these right now are on sale for their spring sale for $4.99, and they're just little like camping or, you know, beach chairs. So I thought, you know, this super easy to like take with me to the beach with the grandkids. You can use it, you know, sitting around a campfire, and they are $4.99. What a great price. And then this was $9.99. It's just a wood like cutting board. So I actually got this one, and I got this particular one because it's longer. I got this. I'm going to put some sliding feet on it, and I'm going to put my stand mixer on it so that I'm not always having to lug it. I can just put it on here and then just slide this out. Now, I feel like these are some of the more expensive, you know, fake ones that they have, this eucalyptus, but you know, I needed, this is like what I wanted for something. So, and I feel like it looks pretty good though, but these were $5.99 each, which I do think is, you know, a little expensive for what it is. So this is what I went for. I have one of these already in the corner where my plants are. I actually got two of these. Now these are $64.99 a piece, and they're, you know, little like floor chairs. You could use it as a stool or sit on. I use it to put plants on for decorative, and I have a place in my house. I got two of these because I want to put two on top of them and then put a plant on top of that. So I got them for decor. This is what I actually went for. This one, I'm not going to open it, so I'll put a picture of this so you can see. But this is one of those little mats. So it unzips. Look how thin and easy it is to carry. And then it is the little mat that kind of comes out, and then it's got the sunshade around it. And it was $29.99. And it's, you know, got this nice little carrying case. Instead of being lazy, I'll take it out. So I also got this for the beach. This is how it comes. A little heavy, not super bad at all. And then it unhooks. And it is a little like picnic table for the kiddos. It's got these little baskets. Of course, it'll be on the ground like this, but you can like put it over them, let them eat. And you know, if there's sand and stuff, if they're playing on it and there's sand, it's got holes for it to all go through. My only concern with it living in Florida, my only concern is, you know, with it being metal, is it going to get hot? You know, so that's the only thing that I will have to like, you know, pay attention to. But otherwise, I do think that it is, I think that it's a super, super cute little idea. And there's that. And then this, I think it was $4.99. Look at this. How easy. Hold it, carry it, spout. This would be great for, you know, picnics, going to the beach, baseball games, soccer games. Fill it up, easy to carry, super cute. And this is new. All right, and that is it, friends. I hope that you found something that you like. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a blessed and beautiful day, and I'll see you later. Bye.